informed by them that he called and said, hii mwanamke anakuja kufanya nini county assembly bila ruhusa yangu. I'm not his wife. He knows where his wife is, so he should go and look for her. I am a woman with integrity who was elected in Isiolo County to be the senator. If he was defeated, he can wait for 2022. But he cannot use that position to deny me an opportunity to serve Isiolo people. Basically, that is my position. What happened yesterday, I'm not going to take it lightly. I am going to escalate it to the Senate. I am going to escalate it to the world to show that my even life is in danger in Isiolo County. Sometimes when I come to Isiolo, there are vehicles following me, there are people following me. I haven't eaten anybody's money. I can meet anywhere without even consulting or informing the Speaker of the County Assembly of Isiolo. He mobilized all the county sergeants at arms that if I try to enter the chamber, they are going to throw me out. I wish they had tried it yesterday.